تعلم معنا.
By now you should know what 5 cube means. It means multiple 5 by itself 3 times. We call 5 the base, and 3 the exponent or index. The base tells us what to multiply, and the exponent tells us how many times to multiply. And the whole lot together is called the power, which is why we can also read this as 5 to the power of 3 by writing up as power as 5 times 5 times 5. We have exponent the power. The basis is 10, the exponent is 6. So we need to multiply 10 by itself 6 times. In the next example, we are asked to exponent 7 to the power of 5. The base is 7 and the exponent is 5. So we need to multiply 7 by itself 5 times. In the next example, we are asked to exponent x to the power of 4. The base is x, which can be any number, and the exponent is 4. So we need to multiply x by itself 4 times. Please pause if you need to. You can also be asked to do this the other way around. In other words, where we need to write the expanded form in exponential form. The basis is number that is being multiplied by itself, and the number of times it is multiplied given the exponent. Please pause and try the next one on your own first. Here 8 is being multiplied by itself 4 times. So the base is 8 and the exponent is 4. How did you do? Here is the next example. Please pause and try it on your own first. Here x is being multiplied by itself 6 times. So the exponential form is x to the power of 6. How did you do? You can also be asked to calculate power. Let's go on to see how. To help us with the calculation, we expand the power. We are now ready to calculate 2 times 2 equal 4. 4 times 2 equal 8. 8 times 2 equals 16. And 16 times 2 equals 32. So, the value of 2 to the power of 5 is 32. In the next example, we are given a negative base. Please note on the calculator we also need a k in the bracket. This gives an answer of 81. Please note both of these powers have a negative base. In the first power, the negative base is raised to an even exponent. When this is the case, the answer will always be positive. We have just calculated that minus 3 all to the power of 4 is equal to 81. The brackets tells us that both the minus and 3 must be raised to the exponent form. Let's now calculate the same power but without the brackets. Because there are no brackets, only 3 is the base raised to the power of 4. This means that the minus will stay in front and the answer. And 3 to the power of 4 is equal to 81, so the final answer is minus 81. Here is the whole number 5. Is it a power? In other words, does it have an exponent? Yes, all whole numbers have an invisible exponent of 1. This means that 5 to the power of 1 is equal to 5. And that 3 power 1 will be equal to 3. And that minus 7 all power 1 will be equal to minus 7. In fact, x power 1, where x is any number, will be equal to x. In other words, any number to the power of 1 will be equal to itself place. Here we have a power with 0 in the exponent. This place and use your calculator to find its value. It is equal to 1 where you surprise. Place space and use your calculator to find the value of 12 power 0. Again, it is equal to 1.